YouTube, it's your boy Wavy Kid _ Hemi, and I'm back with a video, man. It's been a minute. Oh yeah, I got the decals now, y'all, so we official with it. Y'all know Wavy Kid all the way through. I'm gonna give y'all a cold start because today is the day that I finally get the Resonator Delete. So I'm gonna give y'all a stock cold start, and I'm gonna give y'all an after once I go to get it done. You know, about to go head out. Stock. Not too bad for stock. Excuse me, I need a line up haircut. Nah, I ain't getting a haircut. I'll have braids in like a couple weeks, but we about to go head there right now. Guess I'll give y'all some content of me driving there. Excuse me, I got a stuffy nose, so also, whew, so where I'm gonna set y'all. Turn this music off. We're about to head there. Whew. Put your seatbelt on for safety. It's pretty quiet right now. When we get that Resonator Delete, just know. So what happens when you ain't got no cameraman? That would be fun. I swear I just seen a group of kids. I don't know where they just went. All in the middle of the street. Crazy part is I ain't even called the shop, but they did my last car. Y'all know I had the RT, so they shouldn't have a problem doing this one. If they do, I'll wait. It don't take that long. So. Let me know what y'all think. I got other plans for it though. I need to get the diffuser. If y'all know what that is, it's at the bottom of the back of the car. Need to get that done. I also want to call the dealership because everybody keep telling me I'm gonna avoid my warranty if I get the air intake, but I'm gonna see if I can get it done by them to, you know, keep the warranty. As y'all know, like, I just got this, so I want to keep the warranty a little bit to break the engine in. Or so we'll see how that goes. I'm gonna see if I can throw this in manual and mess around with it for a little bit with y'all. Let's see. Yeah, we'll throw that in manual. I need to get a GoPro. For real. Really need to get a GoPro. Green light. Slow down, we in Cuyahoga Falls, Ohio, where you got to do the speed limit, or they will pull you over. No matter if you're doing 5 over, 3 over, you gotta do 25 coming down this street. I'm trying to tell y'all. Especially when they know you got a fast car, you got to slow down. Telling y'all, I will go slow as hell on this street. Anybody that's from Ohio that know about Falls? No. Falls, Stowe, Silver Lake, all of them places. Damn near want to roll the windows down so they can see. All right, man, I'm back, man. So I got the delete. I was gonna do the full straight pipe. I mean, I was gonna keep the cats on, but when I got to the shop, I guess my tips is like on the actual piping, so I wasn't able to get the muffler. I wasn't able to get the mufflers off. I was able to get the resonators off, but I wasn't able to get the mufflers off because it was connected. So I'm gonna let y'all hear the code start. And like, let me know what y'all think. I kind of like it, but I might want it louder in like a couple months because I like loud sounds. I like loud music. So I'll show y'all. Stay tuned. All right, so this is the after effect after I got it installed. Might be able to show y'all. I don't want to get on this floor though. But as you can see, they're no longer on there. That piping. We still got those on there though, because I told you the tips isn't. They're like on the actual piping. They used to just be on the car. Let me get y'all the code started real quick. Let me zoom this out. Pop it out. Boom. Wait. Pop out. Pop out. Pop out. I'm gonna let it run. Fuck it. Alright. Some of that sound real quick at least. Ooh, I like that sound. That shit just music to my ears. Ooh, no more stock exhaust. I mean, it don't sound too bad. But I finally did something to the scat. I mean, I ain't do nothing too crazy yet, but it ain't sound too bad. That shit stink though. Got the smoke coming out the little thing. Y'all probably can't see it. Need to clean that one too. Yeah, but that's gonna be it for this video, man. I appreciate y'all tuning in, man. I finally got to do a little something to the scat. It's gonna be more, so y'all stay tuned, man. If y'all new here, man, like, follow, share, comment what y'all think about the new muffler delete, because I like it. Do want it a little bit more louder, so I'm probably gonna buy the tips. I gotta see how much those is, and I'll probably be doing that in like a month or two. Shoot, whenever I feel like it, for real. So appreciate y'all tuning in, man. It's your boy Wavy Kid _ hit me again, and I'm out. Peace.